Good morning students. Welcome back to online class, history class. In this class, I am going to explain about the timeline, yes, as well as map from the history part. Okay, so timeline, how to draw. First of all, you should understand that you should mark up timelines, incidents. Okay, so each year's incident, you should mark up, then only you can write like this, okay, in the timeline chart. Okay, so timeline, for example, so you should understand that from the year 1905, yes, 1905 to 20, yes, first I am telling, first this is the first session. Okay, now two, so I divided that timeline into two, 1905 to 1920, one session. Okay, that's the first session. The second session, how I divided in the sense, 1920 to 50, what are the things happened, what are the events happened in the history of India. Yes, then first of all 1905 to 1920, yes, 1905 to 1920, you should understand that, you should mug up that 1905 what happened, partition of Bengal, 1905 partition of Bengal, 1906 Muslim League, 1907. So these are the events happened in the particular years. So that one, you should mug up, you should know that, then only you can write this one. So that's what I am going to tell the incidents. Okay, otherwise events, yes, events of Indian history. Okay, the 1905 partition of Bengal, then 1906 Muslim League, 1907 Surat split, 1909 Minto Morley reforms, Minto Morley reforms. So 1911 what happened, in the sense, cancellation of Bengal partition, cancellation of Bengal partition. So these are the things happen. Then next 1912 nothing happened. Okay, 1913 also nothing happened. 1914 first world war started, but I did not mention here. Why? In the sense, during the time of the examination, in the exam, that answer script, you must write the events regarding the Indian history. So first world war event, I did not mention here. Okay, children. Yes, so then 1916 Lucknow Pact, 1916 Lucknow Pact, 1917 August Declaration, August Declaration. Then 1918 what happened, in the sense, you know very well, the first world war was ended. Yes, the first world war came to an end. Okay, so that incident also I did not mention here. Okay, so only Indian history events only you have to mug up, that is very useful for you. Okay, so 1919 what happened, in the sense, Montagu Chelmsford reforms you can write. Otherwise Jallianwala Bagh event you can write. Otherwise Rowlatt Act. Any one incident only have to write per year. Okay, one mark only for one event. Okay, children. Yes, then 1920 what happened, in the sense, non-cooperation movement. So this is the first chart, first timeline chart. 1905 partition of Bengal, 1906 Muslim League, 1907 Surat split, 1908 nothing happened, that's what I left. Okay, so Minto Morley reforms in the year 1909, 1910 also nothing happened, that's what I left that area. Okay, so 1911 cancellation of Bengal partition. Okay, cancellation of Bengal partition. The next I told already 1917, 16 I did not mention here. 1916 also you can write. 1916 Lucknow Pact. 1916 what happened? Lucknow Pact. Then 1917 August Declaration. Okay, 1919 Jolly. 1918 First World War came to an end, like that I said. No, that's what I did not write anything here. So I left that area. 1919 Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Yes, I mentioned. You can mention Rowlatt Act. You can mention in that 1919 that year. Yes. Then one more also, that is Montagu Chelmsford reforms also you can mention. Any one event only. Any one event only need to mention in each in the particular year. So that I mentioned Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. 1920, which one happened, in the sense, non-cooperation movement. It was started by Gandhiji, like that we learned already. Is it, children? So scale, 1 unit is equal to 10 years. So how I mentioned, once again I am telling. Okay, so here it is given clearly 1905 to 20. Yes, this is the question. Yes, this is the question. 1905 to 20, any 5 events have to mention. Yes, instead of writing 5 events, you are going to learn 8 events from 1905 to 1920. Okay, so how I had written, you can check it once. See, 1905 onwards also we can start. Here itself, we can start 1905. Okay, but I started 1900 onwards. Okay, 1900 onwards I started. I left that one. Yes, I left that 1900. This line 1901. This line 1902. This line 1903. This line 1904. This is the 1905 line. Okay, so this is the fifth line. So this one, it should be half of the first line. It should be the fifth line, the fifth line, it should be half of the first line. I am telling here 1905, this is the fifth line, like that I said. Okay, this is the half of the first line. This is the half of the first line. And then 1906, this is the sixth line. 1906, Muslim League. 1907, Surat split. Then 1908, nothing happened. That's what now I left. I did not mention the year even. Okay, so you people also should leave that. If anything, did not happen, in the sense you have to leave that area. Okay, then 1909, without leaving the space, if you are writing in the sense, everything will be wrong. Okay, so the particular year nothing happened, in the sense you have to leave the space for that year. Okay, so space. Then 1909, Minda Morley reforms. Then 1910, nothing happened. 1911, so cancellation of Bengal partition. So the next one, 19, no, here I told, I did not mention this one. I forgot totally. 1916, yes, 1916, what happened, in the sense, Lucknow Pact. You have to mention here, Lucknow Pact. Okay, PACT. Likewise, you can mention. Okay, so the 1917, what happened? August Declaration. First of all, you should know the events of the particular years. Incidents, you should know, then only you can fill this timeline. Okay, timeline, so totally for 5 marks. 5 incidents only you have to write, children. Okay, 1905 to 1920, how many incidents are there, in the sense, nearly, including Lucknow Pact, 9 incidents are there. So, you should write only the 5 events during the time of the exam. Okay, so 1917 August Declaration. 1918 First World War came to an end. So, that one you need not mention here, because in the question paper itself it had given. Okay, so how it is given, in the sense, only Indian history events only need to write. Okay, so European incidents, European history events and all need not write here. Okay, so 1919 Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Otherwise, you can write which one? Rowlatt Act. Otherwise, you can write Montagu-Chelmsford reforms. Okay, Montagu-Chelmsford reforms. Then next one, 1920 non-cooperation movement. If you are writing like this, in the sense, 5 mark. Scale, 1 unit is equal to 10 years, like that mentioned. Why I had written like that, in the sense, you can understand easily. Yes, by checking my timeline, you can easily understand, children. Yes, how, in the sense, see, the 10th line only, I filled the whole line. See, I filled the 10th, this is the 10th line. 10th line only I filled here. Okay, this is the, this one is called as 1 unit. This one is called as 1 unit. So, 1 unit is equal to 10 years, like that I mentioned. Okay, the next also likewise only I mentioned, children. Okay, 1916 onwards, 1920, that is the 10 years, 1 unit. Okay, this is the next unit. So, that's likewise I got written. Okay, 1 unit is equal, this is the 1 unit. This is next unit. Okay, so 1 unit is equal to 10 years, like that scale. Okay, children. Yes, the next one, 1920 to 50. What are the things happen? Okay, so this one, you should know the events of the particular years. Okay, so then only you can easily fill this. You can easily draw this timeline chart. Okay, so the first of all, I am going to tell the events alone. So 1920, already I told, non-cooperation movement started by Gandhiji. You need not write started by Gandhiji like that and all. Okay, simply events only have to write. Okay, so non-cooperation movement was happened in the year 1920. 1921, nothing happened. That's what, I did not write anything, but I left the line. See, I left the line. 1921, nothing happened. Okay, so Gandhiji was in jail. That's why, sorry, no, not like that. Okay, it was the non-cooperation movement, was in its full swing. So, 1920, no, 21 also, we need not repeat that. That's what I left. Okay, 1922 Chauri Chaura incident. Chauri Chaura incident. 1922 Chauri Chaura incident. You know, thousands of the peasants, you know, they were conducted the meeting. So in that time, you know, 22 policemen were killed by the peasants like that. So that time only Gandhiji was arrested. He was in the jail. Yes, so we learned already. So 1922 Chauri Chaura events incident. Then 23, what happened in the sense? Swarajya Party. Swarajya Party started by C.R. Das, Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru, like that I told. Then 1924, yes, and 1924, you know, nothing happened. But in Tamil Nadu history, you know, temple entry program was there. Okay, if it is needed in the sense, you can mention in that event also in the year 1924. Yes, 1925, what happened in the sense? Self-respect movement started by E.V. Ramasamy Nayakar, otherwise called as Periyar. Okay, so 1927, yes, 26 nothing happened. 27, what happened in the sense? Formation of Simon Commission. Formation of Simon Commission. Yes, then 28, arrival of Simon Commission. Arrival. Okay, Sir John Simon came to India. Okay, so that one's arrival of Simon Commission. Then 29, yes, 29 also some incidents happened. That is Lahore Congress. Yes, Lahore Congress. If it is necessary, you can write, children. Lahore Congress in the year 1929. Then in the year 1930, yes, 1930, what happened? Salt Satyagraha. Salt Satyagraha. Otherwise, you can write civil disobedience movement. Civil disobedient movement. Civil disobedient movement, otherwise called as Salt Satyagraha. Yes, the 1931, what happened in the sense? Gandhi-Irvine Pact. Yes, Gandhi-Irvine Pact was happened in the year 1931. Gandhi-Irvine Pact was signed. Okay, then in the year 1932, what happened? Communal Award. Yes, Communal Award as well as Pune Pact. Okay, Communal Award as well as Pune Pact also was signed in the year 1932. Otherwise, you people can write, yes, instead of these three, sorry, instead of these three events, you can write 1930 first round table conference. Okay, first round table conference. Yes, 1931 second round table conference. 1932 third round table conference. Likewise also you can write, instead of writing Salt Satyagraha, Gandhi Irvine Pact as well as Communal Award 30, 31, 32. Okay, instead of that, you know, instead of that you people can write, sorry, yes, instead of that you can write first round table conference, second round table conference, third round table conference. Likewise also you can write. The next one, what happened in the sense? 1935, 34 nothing happened, children. 33 also nothing happened. Okay, so that time, you know, Gandhiji was in jail. Okay, so in 1935, what happened? Government of India Act. Government of India Act was signed, okay, by the British government. 1936 nothing happened. 1937 election. Okay, 1937, 37, you know, election was conducted. Out of 11 places, you know, 7 places they got victory, like that I told. So you have to write Congress won in the election. Congress won the election also, you can write. Okay, yes, the next one, you know, 39, 38 I left. 39 also I left. 39, you know very well that Second World War started. Second World War broke out in the year 1939, but I left that. Okay, only Indian history events only you must write. Okay, so that's what I left that one. And 1940 August offer. August offer. Yes, Lord Linlithgow was responsible for involving Indians into the Second World War, like that I told. Moreover, that person, you know, promised the offer to the Indians, that was called as August offer in the year 1940. Then 41 nothing happened. Then 42, yes, 42 Quit India movement. Quit India movement. Gandhiji was announced, do or die. Yes, that is immediately the British people have to withdraw from India, like that he said. No, yes, that is the Quit India movement. Okay, so the 43 nothing happened. 44 nothing happened. 45, yes, 45 also Second World War came to an end, so I did not mention that one. 46, yes, 46, you know, cabinet mission. Yes, 46, 1946 cabinet mission. Okay, you know very well Sir Patrick Lawrence, A.V. Alexander, Sir Strafford Cripps, those people came into India. Yes, it's like that we learned, is it a cabinet mission? So that one. Then 1947, yes, 1947 India got independence. Yes, the 1948, what happened in the sense, you know, Gandhiji was assassinated by Nathuram Godse. Yes, assassinated in the sense, what is the meaning? Was murdered. Okay, was murdered. Gandhiji was assassinated, like that I mentioned, children. Then, 49, nothing happened. At last, yes, 1950, India became a republic. India became republic. So these are the events are there. Events, you should know first. Okay, events, everything you should mug up. Okay, so for example, easily you can mug up 1922. Yes, 1922, 30, how many incidents are there? You got to check. Okay, so that one. Yes. How many incidents are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 7 incidents are there. Yes, 7 incidents you have to learn. The next, likewise, you have to 10 years, you have to learn. Yes, if you are, if you know that events of the year, in the sense, you can easily write. So 90, so first you can check it, 1920 to 50, like that. So first itself, 1920, like that I started. Yes, you can start. That last session I told, is it 1905 to 20, like that I said. 1920 on, sorry, 1905 onwards also you can start the last session. Okay, but I started 1900 onwards. Okay, so 1900 here I started, so initial stage itself, the first line itself I considered 20, then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 25, in the sense, that is the fifth line. Do you understand? Yes, that's the fifth line. Yes, then fifth line, no, it should be half of the first line. It should be half of the first line. 10th line, in the sense, like, it should be fully, you should draw. Okay, so that is the 10th line. Okay, so this one, this one considered as the, 1 unit. Yes, till 30. Yes, till 30 it is considered as a 1 unit. So here I am writing 1 unit is equal to 10 years. So 1 unit is a scale I am writing here. Okay, scale. Actually, you should not write here, for your understanding I am telling, children. After the completion of the timeline, okay, in the corner only you have to write. Okay, you have to write in the corner scale. Okay, scale 1 unit is equal to 10 years, like that. 5 years also you can write. How? When you have to write 5 years, in the sense, I am telling, children. 5 years, how can you write, in the sense, 5 5, when you are going to divide into 5 5, 5 5 பிரிக்கும் பொழுது 5 years, like that. 1 unit is equal to 5 years. I divided as a 10 year. I divided 10 years பிரிச்சிருக்கேன். Okay, so that's what, I am writing 1 unit is equal to 10 years. Do you understand? Yes, but events only, it's very very important. Yes, the particular year, there was no events, in the sense, you got to leave the place for that year. Do you understand, children? Yes. So the next one, we are going to learn about the map part. Yes, map part, in the sense, history part, maps only I am going to tell. Okay, so this one, for your understanding, 10 years, I divided. Okay, so this one already I explained, that's what I am moving. Okay, so till 1950 is there, the same thing only, just before I explained this, that one I splitted likewise. Okay, then, so the first one, in the history part, that portions, as well as pattern, everything, I hand over to sir will send you. Okay, so by checking the pattern, you can easily understand how the question paper will be. Okay, so history part, that India map, otherwise world map. India map, otherwise world map. Any one map will be there, only for 5 mark. Okay, only for 5 mark. Okay, only for 5 mark. Okay, from the history part. Okay, from the history part, two types of the map are there. Two types of the map. One is India map, next one is world map. But any one map only you will be getting during the time of the examination. Okay, children, that is the compulsory question. Okay, question number 42. Yes, question number 42 is the compulsory one, either world map or India map. Okay, question number 42 is compulsory, you cannot skip that. Okay, so you must learn that map, the places. Okay, so the location you must understand. Okay, so now I am going to explain about the world map. Okay, so world map, in the first lesson itself it is given. Okay, so places, some places are there. Okay, so easily you people can understand, children. This is North America. Sorry, this is North America. Okay, this is South America. Okay, so this is North America, this is South America. Yes, This is, you people knows very well, Africa. Okay, Africa. Here, Australia. Yes, this is the Australia. Sorry, this is Australia. Okay, so you people knows very well. So this is our country, India. Okay, India. Okay, so this is North America, this is North America, this is South America, this is Africa. Yes, this is Australia. Okay, Australia. So here under that, Antarctica. Yes, Antarctica. Then here you can check it. Yes, what are the places are given in your book? You can check it once. Page number 3, I think so. You can check it, children. Okay, you can check it in your book. Here mainly India, like that, just before I said. This is India, like that I said. Is it, children? So we are going to check only the European countries first. Afterwards we can come here. Okay, wait. So, this is Portugal. This is Portugal area. Okay, this is Portugal area. This is Spain. This is Spain. Okay, children. Yes, this is France. France. France area. This is France. This is Belgium. This is Germany. Austria, Hungary. Austria, Hungary. Okay. Once again, I am telling children. This is Portugal. Blue color. Okay. Green color indicate Spain. This fenugreek color indicate which one? Yes, France. Okay. This color Belgium. This is Germany. This is Austria, Hungary. So this much only. Okay, children. Once again, I am telling children. Listen carefully. Listen carefully, children. This is Portugal. Fenugreek color Portugal. Red color Spain. Spain. Then France. Belgium. Sorry. Belgium. Okay. Yes. Then Germany. Germany. Austria, Hungary. Austria, Hungary. So that's all. Okay. So here you can easily identify. This is, this area. This area I am going to keep the dot inside. This is Italy. This is called as, this area, Switzerland. Switzerland. Okay. Yes. This place is Russia. Russia. Okay. Yes. This is Black Sea. This is Caspian Sea. Yes. Under the Black Sea, Turkey. Under the Black Sea, Turkey. Yes. Just before I told, no. This is Italy. This is Italy. This is Switzerland, like that I said. Is it, children? Yes. Once again. Here, Italy. This is Switzerland. Okay. Yes. Here I got, under the Black Sea, I got written Turkey. Yes. Then here, this is Bosnia. This is Serbia. This is Bosnia. This is Serbia. Okay. This is India. Okay. Then listen. Then Japan. Okay. Japan area, you can check it. So this is the place of Japan. Okay. This is the place of Japan. Here you have to keep one dot inside and you have to draw the line outside. You have to write Japan. Okay. Japan. Then this area This area, Hiroshima. The next area, Nagasaki. Once again, I am telling children. Children, listen carefully. Listen carefully. This is Japan, like that I said. This is Hiroshima. This is this corner, Nagasaki. Okay? Yes? The next one. This is India, like that I said, is it? This is India. This is China. Yes? So this is what? Russia. Okay, Russia. Yes? So these are the things are there. Once again children. Once again I am telling. This is North America. This is, I forgot to tell, Canada. Sorry, Canada. North America. South America, otherwise called as Latin American countries. Okay, yes. So this part Mexico, this part Mexico. Then this is Africa, this is India, this is Australia. Yes, Australia. So just before I explained, now European countries. Yes, European countries. Once again I am telling, the first one Portugal, then Spain, France, Belgium, Germany, Austria-Hungary, Italy, Switzerland. Yes, this is Black Sea, Caspian Sea. Yes, Adriatic Sea. Okay, under the Black Sea, Turkey is there. Okay, under the Black Sea. Yes, this is Red Sea. Okay, yes, this area in Africa, Morocco. Yes, Morocco. Okay, children. Yes, then in North America area, in North America area, San Francisco. Yes, in your book it is given, I think so. San Francisco. So this bend is coming now. This is the San Francisco area. Okay, so here, in your book it is given, I think so. Here, some dots are there. Some dots are there. Hawaii Island. Some dots are there. That is Hawaii. Hawaii. Hawaii Island. This is the Hawaii Island. Okay, Hawaii Island. You can keep the dot here. Okay, this is the Hawaii Island. So this area, the bend, this is San Francisco. Okay, yes. The next one, just before I said Russia. Yes, Russia is it? No, Russia capital. Yes, this is Russia. Russia capital, where it is located in the sense. So here, yes, so this place, it is located. Yes, Russia's capital Moscow. Yes, so this is Japan, like that I said. This is the first one, Hiroshima. The next one, Nagasaki. Okay, so these are the things I explained to children. The next one, the same thing only. Yes, same map only I am going to explain. Yes, some other places. Okay, if I am repeating, forgive this, and sorry for that. Okay, so again and again if I am telling, some children they may get that's what. Okay, I am going to explain about the Norway, Sweden as well as Finland. Norway, Sweden as well as Finland. Okay, so those areas where it is located, everything I am going to tell. Okay, so here this part, where it is located in the sense. Moreover, this is Great Britain. I did not tell anything. This is Great Britain. Okay, this is Ireland. Okay, so this fully, Great Britain. Okay, this is Ireland. Okay, so in this area only it is there. Okay, Norway. Okay, so Norway, where it is located in the sense, this is Norway. Okay, this is Norway. Norway. Yes. Then the next one just before I said that Great Britain's location I said, as well as that which one, Ireland. Yes, Ireland's location also just before only I said. Is it children? Yes. So Hiroshima, Nagasaki also I explained in Japan area. Okay, Japan area, Hiroshima, Nagasaki, everything is located. Okay, so just before Denmark. Yes, Denmark, Sweden. Yes, Denmark, Sweden, as well as Denmark, Sweden, as well as Finland. Yes, Finland. So that location, I got to tell like that. I said, is it children? Yes. So I am going to tell now. Yes. So this is this one, Sweden. Okay. So this is Norway. Yes, Norway. This is Sweden. So this area, Finland. Finland. Okay. Yes. So once again, I am telling children. Once again, I am telling. This is Norway. This is Norway. Norway. This is Sweden. Then this is Finland. Okay. So this much only children. The next one. What is that in the sense? Yeah. So today, this much enough in the world map. Next, I am going to explain about the India outline. Okay, either India or world map like that I said. One more class also I will teach the same places. Okay. Then India. Yes, India outline I took. Okay, so here some places are there in your book also. It is given, I think so. You can check it. Okay, when you are getting the map itself, you have to draw the direction. Okay, you have to draw the direction. So this is the northern part. Okay, north. This is south. Okay, west, east. Like that you have to mention. Then question number also you have to keep here. Okay, so the India map, what are the things I am going to explain in the sense, the places of Delhi. Yes, Delhi, how to find out in the sense with the help of the scale. You have to keep the scale here. Yes, sorry, with the help of the scale you have to find out. You have to keep the scale here, this area. This is the center area. Okay, center area you have to keep the dot. So that is Delhi. This is Delhi. This is Meerut. Okay. Under the Delhi, what is that in the sense? Agra. This is Delhi. This is Meerut. Yes. This is Agra. Okay. Yes. So here Gwalior, Jhansi, Allahabad, Parakpur, then Bareilly. This is Bareilly. Yes, Bareilly. Then here Ambala. Yes. Then this is Allahabad, I said. Then this is Banaras. Okay. Once again I am telling children the same thing only I am going to explain. Same thing. Listen carefully children. First of all, we are going to mark Delhi. This is Delhi like that I said. Okay. This is Delhi. This is Meerut. This is Bareilly. Yes, Bareilly. Then Lucknow, Kanpur, Allahabad, Parakpur, Banaras, then Gwalior, Jhansi. So these are the places. Okay. Yes. Next, some more places. Again, check it here. This is the, like a nose it is there. Is it like a nose, this area? Amritsar. In the Amritsar only, Golden Temple is there. Moreover, Jallianwala Bagh tragedy was happened in the Amritsar, Punjab area. Okay. Yes. So, the next one, Bareilly, Lucknow, Kanpur, Chauri Chaura. Yes, like temple Gopuram one area is there, no? That is the Chauri Chaura. Okay, Chauri Chaura. Then this one, Bihar. Bihar, Patna, Ara, Parakpur, that is Calcutta area, Calcutta. Okay, yes. Then this is Gwalior, this is Jhansi. So these are the places. Once again I am telling children, this is Delhi, this is Meerut, this is Amritsar, that is Jallianwala Bagh tragedy happened, no, that one, Golden Temple's place, location. Okay, this is Bareilly, okay, Bareilly, Lucknow, Kanpur, Chauri Chaura, Bihar, Patna, Ara, Parakpur, that is the Calcutta area, then Gwalior, Jhansi. Okay, so this much only, children. Okay, those it is given in your book, I think so. Moreover, so under that it won't come in the history part. Okay, so this is the Andaman Nicobar area. This is Andaman and Nicobar. This is Lakshadweep. Okay, then moreover some more places also it is given, so I am going to explain about that now. Okay, some more places. Then listen carefully, children. Sorry, listen carefully, everyone. So this is Lahore. This is Lahore. This is Kashmir. Then this is Amritsar. This is Delhi. This is Meerut. Then this is Keda Satyagraha, you know. Then location of the Sabarmati Ashram, Ahmedabad. That's the name of ashram. Okay, Gandhiji's ashram. It is located in Ahmedabad. It is in Gujarat. Then this area, Pardoli. Yes, Pardoli. Sorry, Pardoli. Which area in the sense? Pardoli, where it is located in the sense here, Pardoli. Yes, Dandi, where it is located in the sense next to Dandi. Okay, then this area, you know, Bombay. Then Pune. Yes, in Bombay only Sadara is located. Yes, Madras. Yes, Madras, how to mark, I am telling children. Sorry, Madras, how to mark in the sense, see this one, this corner, Vedaranyam. The next, the center, Karaikal. The edge of the line, you know, Pondicherry. Okay, so here Chennai is located, Madras is located here, Madras. Okay, once again I am telling children, this corner Vedaranyam, the next one Karaikal, next one Pondicherry. Once again, so this is Vedaranyam, this is Karaikal, this is Pondicherry, this is Chennai, that is Madras. Okay, yes. Then this area everybody knows, Goa. Yes, so this area Diu. Then this area Daman. This is Diu. Okay, then this area Enam, Yenam, Enam. Okay, yes. Then check it, children. Here you can check it. Chambran is the name of the place. Chambran Satyagraha, Chauri Chaura, This is Chauri Chaura area. Next one, Chambran. Chambran, where it is located, you know very well, Bihar, Patna, like that I said, no, in that area only Chambran is located. Chambran. Okay, yes. Then, yeah, Korakpur. Korakpur only Chauri Chaura in Uttar Pradesh area, Korakpur. Okay, so this is Lucknow, this is Kanpur. Okay, so which one is Allahabad? This is Allahabad. Okay, so this ashram, Sabarmati ashram. This one Keda, it's the name of the place, Keda Satyagraha. Everything, it's located in Ahmedabad area. Yes, this is Bardoli. Yes, this area, the bend is there, no? So this bend, it's called as Dandi. Yes, the next one Bombay. The next one Pune. Yes, Pune. In Bombay only Sadara is located. So this much only, children. The one more class also I will teach that same timeline as well as map part. Okay, if you have any doubt, in the interactive session you can ask. Okay, so moreover, in the next class, I will tell that one, that lesson 6, okay, history part, lesson 6, 5 answer. Yes, 5 answer. You can take it if you have the book, you can take it, lesson 6. Okay, lesson 6, 5 answer. You can take it, children. You can check. You can take it, everyone, because already I made you to mark, but that is wrong, I think so. Yes, one student asked me over phone. Yes, page number 68. Page number 68. Actually, question regarding the proclamation of Tiruchirappalli proclamation, but I made you to mark Carnatic Treaty in the year 1801. Okay, so you have to mark the same page only, proclamation of 1801, 5 answer. That para fully you have to mark it. Sorry for that. Okay, I made you to mark Carnatic Treaty full. Okay, so that is wrong. Okay, page number 68, it is given proclamation of 1801. Under that, what are the things are there, what are the points are there, you have to write 5 answer. Okay, children. Yes, in the next class I will teach the same map. Yes, you if you have the doubt, you can ask me during the time of the interactive session. Okay, yes, that same map as well as timeline I will teach. Okay, children. Thank you, children.